No. I have worked. It's not true that ADA is grounded. It's not. We have put in place contingency measures to support their budget, and even as we wait for budgeting process to go on, we have expended resources from the sports fund to make sure that anti-doping agency is functioning as it should. And there will be no day that they will suffer because of money. Monies will not be the issue. If we are unable to do what we need to do matters doping, it will not be because of money. We have the capacity to make sure that we cushion the anti-doping agency on financial issues, and we're working together with the Ministry of Finance and Parliament to enhance the budget in the next supplementary budget.